A belated Happy New Year to you all. It was on December 28th of 2012 that the Standard & Poor's 500 stock index closed at a little over 1,400, and on Christmas Eve 2013 it closed at 1833. So 2013 proved to be a very volatile year. But you might ask, how could a year in which United States stocks went up nearly 30% be referred to as volatile? Well, that's exactly what it was. The word volatility seems to have a somewhat negative connotation, but 2013 provides a very good example to hold up as a reminder that volatility includes both up and down movements in securities prices. It's just not the adjective that comes to mind when you're considering what ended up being a very good year with the stock portion of our portfolios. The fact to remember is that equity prices have tended to fluctuate up and down, sometimes rather sharply, throughout all of history. And it's without that volatility that the potential for positive long-term returns of equities, they wouldn't even be available. If we remove all volatility, you end up with, well, something kind of like a CD. Still, it's fun to revel in a 12-month period that has rewarded so many of you very patient investors, and I applaud your patience, and I hope you're enjoying some of the fruits of your discipline. As we look ahead to 2014, continued increases in equity prices are going to be dependent upon the profits and cash flows of the companies. But however that unfolds, I hope that you continue to learn about volatility, and as you do so, that you learn to embrace it. What happened last year in equity markets, or any past year performance, won't have any bearing on this year's results. Regardless of what comes in 2014, the historical long-term trend line of equities has been a steep upward slope, and it's that long-term view on which we always have to stay focused. We've already been beginning our reviews for the year 2014. If you're watching this and you'd like to review your situation sooner than later, please give us a call and we'll be happy to get you scheduled. On behalf of me and my staff, we want to sincerely thank you for your business, and we look forward to serving you this coming year.